QRZ, QRZ.
This is Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Juliet, Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan, listening.
Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan. Do you copy Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray?
Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Roger?
Roger, Roger. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. And my QTH 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro. My processor is not on. I turn on now. Okay, Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Listen to you, over.
Okay, very good. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. This is Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan. I hear you, but very low, very low. You are 4 by 2, 4 by 1, 4 by 2 in the clear. My name is Joe, Juliet, Oscar, Echo. Joe is my name, and I'm in the near of Stuttgart, southwest part of Germany.
Roger, Roger, Joy. 100%. I copy you very comfortable. 5 by 7. 57. I'll turn on my linear amplifier. 1 second. Okay, now I think it will be a little bit better. I turn on my amplifier, linear amplifier, 200 watts only. I was with 100 watts, now 200 watts. Okay, Joey, I copy you 5 by 9, 59 your report here in South America. Okay, you're near Stuttgart, very good copy, no problem. I'm with a TS130S, TS130S. The antenna is a vertical antenna, 5/8 waves. Okay, that's my working condition. Very simple station. Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan, Papa Yellow 1 Alpha X-ray. Is that Roger? If it's better now, over.
Yeah, okay, Anthony, okay, yeah, now I hear you better. It's much better than before. Modulation is getting a little bit stronger, and the signal is also a little bit higher now, and maybe 3 to 4. You're peaking now, S3, S4 in the clear. And I saw you are in the near of Rio de Janeiro, right? Go ahead.
Yes, I'm 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro, okay, 100 kilometers north, a small town. The name is Saquarema, okay, Saquarema. It's on my QRZ.com, okay, you can see there. I will make a video, I will send it to you, the video, to see how you get stronger in your audio here. Okay, in the beginning of the contact is more louder, but now is a little bit QS Baker on the frequency, but no problem to copy. I was been copy a lot of stations from Europe. I working on the WPX contest, was a very good, make 300 contacts, very happy with my old one, TS130S, very good. The visual is old style. Okay, Joey, many thanks for the contact. Good luck DX for you. I hope to catch you again. Okay, my friend, all the best, and thank you. Okay, Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan, Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray. Auf Wiedersehen.
Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan. All right, Anthony. Well, very good. If you have good results on your contest, I'm really happy with you. And the old stuff is doing the job 100%, no problem at all. Anthony, I'm running here a TSA 90. This is a TSA 90. About 400 watts in a vertical 20 meter up. So nothing special here with the antenna, and but it works. It's doing your job all right. Okay, thanks for the call. I wish you 73s, and see you again on the band. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray DH1KJ. Go ahead.
Roger, Joy, 100% copy, my friend. Yes, very happy to talking to you. Yes, your power and your antenna good. Okay, I like X-beam or spider beams, very good antennas. I have a cubicle quad in a tower, but it's broken down. Okay, broken down from the tower with a very speed windy here. Okay, I'm living close to the ocean. Okay, you can check the map on myqrz.com. I will send the email to your video. Okay, I send a video for you for my channel on YouTube. It's a 5,000 hammer radios there. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, you can check it there. Okay, 73. Good luck DX, my friend Joe. I will send you the video by email. Delta Hotel 1 Kilo Japan, Papa Yellow 1 Alpha X-ray. Good luck DX. I will spot you as well. 73. Bye bye, Joey. 73, my friend. You already spot. 73. Bye bye. Good DX.